Oh my goodness, what a night. It is Saturday, September 7th. This is Jeff Davenport live, brought to you by Ssvec, Sulphur Springs Valley Electric Cooperative, serving our community. We are live at the Gadsden Hotel for an amazing evening. GATSBY at the Gadsden, that Chiricahua Community Health Center's put together. And I know it looks like I'm as tall as Dennis. I'm really not. I'm standing on a step, and he is standing on the floor. But it is, I can now say, the Telly Award winning Chiricahua Community Health Center ended up getting a Telly Award from Cox Media, actually from the Telly Award Association, delivered by Cox Media. What does an award like this mean in that public service announcement division? We're explaining that in the post description, but if you want to give us a quick synopsis.
Well, the Telly Award really recognizes innovation in messaging. And when we had a big task at the end of COVID, we were still out there trying to deliver vaccines, trying to get people to be healthy, to make healthy decisions. And so we had to think of creative and innovative ways to get that message across. And the way we were able to do that wasn't by sitting a bunch of doctors in a room and saying, how should we do this? It was to reach out to the experts. We worked with Cox Media, and they came to the table to work with us and produce these very innovative ads that really struck a real chord in our clients. And that was the best reason to be vaccinated isn't so much about you, it's about those you love. It's about protecting them. And that was really the message that won the award.
It's unbelievable, the Telly Award-winning Chiricahua Community Health Center. And as part of this evening's GATSBY at the Gala, there was some fun, there were some laughs, there was such heart-tugging moments when Drs. Melk, Dr. Jonathan, and Dr. Darlene got up right at this very podium and gave a heartwarming message to all the people here. It was a sellout crowd, legit, here at the Gadsden Hotel. And then, even on top of that, the Chiricahua Health Foundation was launched tonight. Tell us about the Chiricahua Health Foundation, Dennis.
The Chiricahua Health Foundation is a brand new entity. You're live, you're present at the creation. It's an organization that will be raising funds to support Chiricahua programs and their patients. So this is all about the community, it's all about giving back, and it's all about creating a sustained resource to keep doing more for more people. More services, more places, more people, that's what we're about.
And then another aspect of tonight, before we wrap this up, was the Fund to End Domestic Violence. You were moved 3 years ago. You told a story about going to the domestic violence vigil here in Douglas and how that touched your heart in a way that you knew you wanted to do something even greater. Talk about that.
Well, it's a very personal issue for me, Jeff. I come from a family that also suffered domestic violence. So this is both personal and professional. When I attended that vigil 3 years ago, it was the first time I'd ever been in that type of a setting, to be with survivors who are out there telling their story, and it really moved me. And in the last couple of years, I've wanted us to accelerate and really do more when it came to supporting our domestic violence programming. And when we hit on this real core reason to break the cycle, to make sure that young people are getting involved in healthy relationships and that they know that violence is not ever normative in a relationship, and they do something about it, that's where we're going. We want to end domestic violence.
For those who were here tonight, you're watching this video, I would ask you to share this video around and give your synopsis of what moments stood out to you tonight. Life is full of moments that we will remember forever. There were a handful of them this evening at GATSBY at the Gadsden Chiricahua Community Health Centers, the Telly Award winning.
We came together to do together what we couldn't do alone. That's the way we're going to work. You're on.
Dennis Walto, thank you so much for talking to us tonight. Thank you for watching this episode of Jeff Davenport Live, brought to you by Ssvec, Sulphur Springs Valley Electric Cooperative, serving our community. The Telly Award-winning Chiricahua Community Health Center's Health for All. You can see Chiricahua Community Health Center's Facebook page in the post description, as well as their website for more information about them. Thank you guys. Have a great rest of your weekend. Congratulations, Chiricahua Community Health Center. Thanks, Dennis. Thank you.